5 centuries ago, Christopher Columbus first set foot on the shores of what is today the Dominican Republic and recorded in his personal diary, "This is the most beautiful land anyone has ever seen." Today it is the setting for the luxurious EMI Resorts properties. This prime beachfront location has in the past 5 years become one of the most popular vacation destinations in the Caribbean. Guests from around the world have enjoyed the many choices that EMI Resorts offers, including the Ocean Palms, Villas del Mar, Sun Village Suites, and can look forward to the much anticipated opening of the Sun Village Resort, November the 30th, 2000. In becoming one of the most popular Caribbean destinations, EMI Resorts is extremely proud of the fact that we have remained debt-free and have consistently paid our G2 shareholders on time and at higher rates of return than projected in our initial offerings. EMI Resorts' corporate mandate of being debt-free not only allows the hotel operation to aggressively compete within the global marketplace, but it also ensures our shareholders the security and peace of mind that comes with owning a debt-free, tangible asset that generates profits every day, 365 days a year.
My family and I had a fabulous week in March, staying in a luxury villa at EMI Resort. It's the only investment I have that I can enjoy with my family. I'm getting higher returns than I was promised, and I'm getting my checks on time. What more can I ask for?
In 1999, the Dominican Republic was the most popular vacation island in the entire Caribbean, welcoming over 2.5 million guests. EMI Resorts has enjoyed long-term relationships with American, Canadian, and European tour operators. The resort has consistently produced occupancy of over 85% annually since inception in 1993. EMI Resorts' recent additional beach acquisition has resulted in our tour operators renewing their long-term contracts at higher room rates than forecast. The net result of this is twofold. The occupancy levels and earnings per room of Sun Village will be higher than projected, giving Sun Village shareholders from this G2 event in Cancun more money every 90 days.
We got the opportunity of investing into EMI last year, and we've never looked back since. All our dividends have come through exactly as we've been told they would, and we're busy saving at the moment to reinvest.
EMI Resorts is a leader in the development and operation of resort properties. Your participation in this G2 event provides you the opportunity to become a direct shareholder of EMI Resorts Sun Village. This private placement investment could provide an annual rate of return as high as 120%. In other words, as high as a 10% monthly rate of return with the introduction of the shares of Sun Village to a major stock exchange such as the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ, or through an EMI Resorts timeshare program. Now, you're probably asking yourself, is this condominium ownership? No, it is not. Is this a limited partnership? No, it is not. Your investment in Sun Village is direct ownership in a resort which is a debt-free, private placement, international business corporation, IBC, domiciled in a tax haven. This provides you privacy of your investment, confidentiality of your asset, and protection from any and all financial threats through nominee registration. What does this mean to you? It means daily revenues generated from the resort, received by you every 90 days, ongoing appreciation of your invested capital, and the share value should increase when this corporation trades its shares on a major stock exchange, such as the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ, or participates in an EMI Resorts timeshare program.
I went down there with a friend from British Columbia who does a lot of the, gathers a lot of people for Global, and asked him about it. He said he had checked out EMI himself quite thoroughly. The other nice thing is every time we reach in to grab our wallet for something, the funds that are in there come from the dividends from the investment in this place.
The underlying value of Sun Village has grown continuously since June of 1999. EMI Resorts estimates that if Sun Village was a public company today, its share value would be $1.25, and by July of 2000, it would be $1.75. Based on projected cash flows and the addition of the beachfront property, upon opening Sun Village Resort November 30th of this year, Sun Village's shares could be valued at $2, and at launch of trading on a major stock exchange or completion of a timeshare program, your shares could be worth as much as $3.70 per share. For your G2 event here in Cancun, the principals of Sun Village are offering for a limited time 2,500,000 shares of Sun Village from Treasury at $1 per share. The minimum investment is $10,000 and the maximum $100,000. These shares are being offered under a prospectus approved by the government of an international tax haven. To purchase the special shares issued out of Treasury for this event only, subscriptions must be completed at the Sun Village booth with a deposit to secure your investment. Your investment of $10,000 provides you with an EMI Resorts VIP Gold Card, one complimentary week for two at Sun Village, and based on our revenue projections and the successful completion of an IPO or timeshare program, could turn your $10,000 into $37,000 within 2 or 3 years. That's a potential net return of over 270%. Your investment of $25,000 provides you with EMI Resorts VIP Platinum Card, one complimentary week at the luxurious EMI Villas Del Mar, which includes a 4-bedroom luxury villa with your own private maid and swimming pool, and could turn your $25,000 investment into $92,000 within 2 or 3 years. Again, that's a potential net return to you of over 270%. This exceptional investment opportunity offered at this G2 event is available exclusively to you until July 15th, 2000.
The resorts have maintained a high occupancy rate throughout this time, at one of the highest room rates in Dominican Republic. I've also had the opportunity to deal with investors and shareholders that have come down, and the dividends have been paid on time. Found out through all the shareholders. Also, they've been paid at the rate of return as they've been promised.
Your investment in EMI Resorts Sun Village is as secure as the land it's built on, and you will receive your income on the calendar quarter every 90 days. EMI Resorts is proud of its long relationship with the Institute of Global Prosperity, and we look forward to meeting you over the next few days. Cofresi Beach in the Dominican Republic is the setting for the luxurious EMI Resorts properties. This prime beachfront location has in the past 5 years become one of the most popular vacation destinations in the Caribbean. In December 2001, the Sun Village Beach Resort opened to the world, and vacationing in the Caribbean will never be the same. Spectacularly designed with an open concept, Sun Village Beach Resort offers an impressive choice of accommodations sure to please every vacationer, from the beautifully furnished rooms, all with an ocean view, to the Sun Village Suites with adjoining pool, to the luxurious 3- and 4-bedroom villas with private swimming pool and designer furnishings, all just seconds from the beach. The Sun Village pools are the most spectacular in the Caribbean, with breathtaking ocean views, innovative layout and design, swim-up bars, and spectacular waterfalls. On special occasions, the Sun Village Pool Terrace is transformed into the perfect accompaniment to our guests' dining experience. Sun Village head chef Rafael Vasquez, who is also special chef to the President of the Dominican Republic, and his talented staff prepare sumptuous culinary creations in our 5 restaurants. And in January 2002, Sun Village will offer a total of 7 restaurants with the opening of Olé, and the Soli Luna restaurants. Feel like some entertainment? Check out our 450-seat state-of-the-art Sun Village Theater. Here you'll be entertained by the Sun Village dancers, performing show-stopping numbers in colorful native costumes. And by the Sun Village Show Band, who will have you jamming to the beat. And you never know who may show up on stage on our popular Las Vegas review nights. EMI Resorts' corporate mandate of being long-term, debt-free not only allows the hotel operation to aggressively compete within the global marketplace, but it also gives our shareholders the security and peace of mind that comes with owning a debt-free, tangible asset that generates profits every day, 365 days a year. In becoming one of the most popular Caribbean destinations, EMI Resorts is extremely proud of the fact we have continually satisfied investors from around the world with our real estate-based resort properties. EMI Resorts has enjoyed long-term relationships with American, Canadian, and European tour operators. It is these relationships, together with an aggressive consumer and trade marketing program, that is making the Sun Village Beach Resort a world-class vacation destination.
We originally invested in EMI in the villa, where we are at this point. We've also invested in other EMI opportunities, of which we are very pleased and satisfied. We consider this to be a good investment and like a second home to us.
Just seconds from the Sun Village Beach Resort is Drifter's Beach Bar and Grill, an idyllic spot on the beach for lunch or just to relax with a cold beverage and listen to the sound of the waves. Right beside Drifters is Coconut's Restaurant, and not one, but 2 beachfront swimming pools. It's a great place to enjoy a meal and be entertained by the Sun Village dancers and performers under a star-filled sky. The Dominican Republic welcomed more tourists than any other destination in the Caribbean last year, with over 2.5 million visitors, projected to be 5 million within the next 2 years. According to the Economist Intelligence Unit, the Dominican Republic has had the fastest growing economy in the Western Hemisphere for the past several years. PricewaterhouseCoopers has recently stated that the country is the best place to invest in the Caribbean. Your investment in the Sun Village Beach Resort offers direct ownership in a resort property through a long-term, debt-free International Business Corporation, IBC, domiciled in a tax haven. What does this mean to you? It means daily net revenues generated from the resort received by you every 180 days, with the potential for ongoing appreciation of your invested capital. And your participation in this investment will give you the opportunity to become a direct shareholder of Hacienda Sun Village Inc., operating as Sun Village Beach Resort. The offering price of Hacienda Sun Village Inc. has increased since June 1999, when common shares were originally offered for $1. The current offering price is $1.50 per common share, and this will increase to $2 January 31, 2002. The minimum investment in EMI Sun Village Beach Resort is $10,500. In addition to participating in the profitability of the resort every 180 days, you will also receive your EMI VIP Gold Card, as well as these exclusive benefits. 20% discount on EMI Resorts vacations for yourself, family, and friends. Vacation at EMI Sun Village Beach Resort at any time with discounts of 20%. In addition, receive further discounts on restaurants and all-inclusive food and beverage packages, as well as on EMI merchandise and outstanding referral benefits.
Hi, I'm Steve from Canada. You know, I've been an investor with EMI for the past 2 years now. You know, I was here back in April, and to come back now, I just can't believe the transformation. It's exceeded my expectations.
Fred Elliott, the president of EMI Resorts, has always believed that Cofresi Beach is one of the prime beachfront properties on the North Shore of the Caribbean. Recently, 2 of the most high-profile companies in the tourism sector, Interval International and Dolphin Encounters, have made significant moves that will have a phenomenal long-term impact on Cofresi Beach and on the profitability of your investment in the Sun Village Beach Resort. In October 2001, Interval International, the world's leading quality vacation exchange company, endorsed the EMI Sun Village Beach Resort as a sanctioned affiliate. EMI Resorts has now joined Hyatt, Marriott, Four Seasons, and Disney in Interval International's collection of over 1,800 quality resorts. On December 1, 2001, Sun Village Resort launched the retail sale of the Sun Village Beach Resort hotel rooms through the EMI Preferred Passport Vacation Club program. What does this mean to you as a Sun Village shareholder? EMI Resorts is developing these rooms for approximately $50,000 per door. Through the Preferred Passport Vacation Club program, each room could be sold for up to a net value of $5,000 per week, generating over a 50-week year a potential of up to $250,000 in equity per room for the corporation. That's a potential 500% return. In addition to sharing in the operational income of the resort, you will participate in the sales income from every Preferred Passport sold. Earlier this year, Dolphin Encounters, developers of the world-renowned Blue Lagoon Island in Nassau, Bahamas, completed an exhaustive search of the Caribbean for the ideal location to construct their latest marine park. They selected a prime portion of real estate at Cofressy Beach, directly beside Sun Village Beach Resort, to be the site of their flagship marine park, a $25 million development that will be the largest marine park in the world. Construction is well underway on the pools for swimming with the dolphins and to view sea lions, sharks, and other species. In addition, there will be a tropical rainforest as well as a 100-slip marina.
We're running in 2 phases right now. We're about, I would say, a quarter of the way through phase 1, which is the actual aquatic park itself. Behind me here is the small lagoon, or the live lagoon as we refer to it. It has 16.5 million gallons in it. It's 12 foot deep. This is where we're actually going to start training the dolphins for the park. Directly ahead of us here, we have the East Lagoon, which will be approximately 16.5 million gallons. Again, 12 feet deep. We're dredging this area. We're building another break wall out here that will take some 53,000 cubic meters of rock to complete. But this is where we are right now on this location.
When the marine park opens in July 2002, the benefits to Sun Village Beach Resort will be immeasurable. It will be a major attraction, drawing tourists from across North America. Sun Village Beach Resort will be the resort of choice for visitors. Visitors will come to Sun Village for meals and drinks after seeing the show. Cofressy Beach will soon become a world-class destination and a household name. Sun Village shareholders earn income from 2 main sources. One is through revenues from daily operations. The other is through income from the EMI Preferred Passport Vacation Club program. The projected earnings just from operations over the next 3 years average out at an impressive 20% per year. For an investment of $10,000, that's a projected return of $6,000. And on a $25,000 investment, the projected return is $15,000. The potential revenues from the EMI Preferred Passport Vacation Club program could be as high as $105 million, a potential 500% return. The EMI Sun Village Beach Resort is truly an unparalleled investment opportunity, and your investment is as secure as the land it's built on. We invite you to upgrade your investment expectations with your investment in Sun Village Beach Resort today.
Five centuries ago, Christopher Columbus first set foot on the shores of what is today the Dominican Republic and recorded in his personal diary, "This is the most beautiful land anyone has ever seen." Today, the Dominican Republic is the setting for the luxurious EMI Resorts properties. This prime beachfront location has in the past 5 years become one of the most popular vacation destinations in the Caribbean. Guests from around the world have enjoyed the many choices that EMI Resorts offers, including the Ocean Palms, Villas Del Mar, Sun Village Suites, And they can look forward to the much-anticipated opening of the Sun Village Palms this October. In becoming one of the most popular Caribbean destinations, EMI Resorts is extremely proud of the fact that we have consistently paid our shareholders on time and at rates of return projected in our initial offerings. EMI Resorts' corporate mandate of being long-term debt-free not only allows the hotel operation to successfully compete within the global marketplace, but it also gives our shareholders the security and peace of mind that comes with owning a tangible, debt-free asset that generates profits every day, 365 days a year. The Dominican Republic welcomed more tourists than any other destination in the Caribbean last year, with over 2.5 million visitors. The Caribbean Hotel Association expects this figure to double to 5 million within the next 2 years. According to the Economist Intelligence Unit, the Dominican Republic has had the fastest growing economy in the Western Hemisphere for the past several years. PricewaterhouseCoopers has recently stated, the Dominican Republic is the best place to invest in the Caribbean. EMI Resorts has enjoyed long-term relationships with American, Canadian, and European tour operators. The resort has consistently produced occupancy of over 85% annually since inception in 1993. EMI Resorts' recent beach acquisition has resulted in our tour operators renewing their long-term contracts at higher room rates than forecast. The net result of this is twofold. Occupancy levels and earnings per room for Sun Village Palms will be higher than projected, giving Hacienda Sun Village Inc. shareholders more money every 90 days.
I went down there with a friend from British Columbia who does a lot of the, gathers a lot of people for Global, and asked him about it. He said he had checked out EMI himself quite thoroughly. The other nice thing is every time we reach in to grab our wallet for something, the funds that are in there come from the dividends from the investment in this place.
EMI Resorts is a leader in the development and operation of resort properties. Your participation in this investment will give you the opportunity to become a direct shareholder of Hacienda Sun Village Inc., operating as Sun Village Palms. If projections materialize, this private placement investment could provide two continuing sources of income. The first is through daily hotel operations, and the second could be through a potential public offering or implementation of the EMI Resorts Vacation Club program, which is designed to redefine the timeshare industry. Now, you're probably asking yourself, is this condominium ownership? No, it is not. Is this a limited partnership? No, it is not. Your investment in Sun Village Palms offers direct ownership in a resort property through a long-term, debt-free international business corporation, IBC, domiciled in a tax haven. What does this mean to you? It means daily net revenues generated from the resort dispersed to you every 90 days. The potential ongoing appreciation of your invested capital and the share value should increase when this corporation participates in an EMI Resorts Vacation Club program.
Hi, my name is Fred Ming, and this is my beautiful wife, Charlotte. We're both from the beautiful island of Bermuda, and this is the very first time we have been to the EMI Resorts in Puerto Plata. We thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. We love the good ambience, the fine food, and the hospitality of the people here. And certainly we would endorse that anyone to come to the EMI Resorts and have a beautiful time just like my wife and I have.
The offering price of Hacienda Sun Village Inc. has increased since June 1999, when common shares were originally offered for $1. The current offering price is $1.25 per common share and will increase to $1.50 June 30th, 2001. This is a courtesy extension to accommodate our many G2 investors to participate at the $1.25 share price at this event. The minimum investment in EMI Sun Village Palms is $10,000. In addition to earning great returns every 90 days, you will also receive an all-inclusive week for two at Sun Village Palms and your own EMI VIP Gold Card with exclusive savings of 20% on all future EMI Resorts vacations. An investment of $25,000 provides you with your EMI VIP Platinum Card, 1 week's accommodation for up to 8 people in a private luxury villa complete with private swimming pool and personal maid service, and exclusive savings of 30% on all future EMI Resorts vacations. Each of these cards offer exclusive benefits, including VIP vacations to the cardholder. Based on current contracts and occupancy levels, the projected rates of return on your investment as a Sun Village shareholder looks like this. For a $10,000 investment, earnings from operations for 2001 are projected at 18% annually, or $1,800. In 2002, it is projected that earnings will be 20% annually, and increase to 22% annually in 2003. For a $25,000 investment, earnings for 2001 are projected at 18% annually, or $4,500. In 2002, it is projected that earnings will be 20% annually and increase to 22% annually in 2003. That's a 60% return on your investment over 3 years, just from daily hotel operations.
This is our 9th visit to EMI Resorts, and we just love it here. We've traveled to many of the Caribbean islands, and this is the one we prefer. People are great, the food is great, this new Drifters Bar is really great. We love our checks every 90 days, and we're looking forward to the opening of Sun Village.
It is the intention of Sun Village Palms to proceed with the retail sale of the Sun Village Palms hotel rooms through a proposed EMI Resorts Vacation Club program. Again, this program is positioned to redefine the timeshare industry. Here's how it works. EMI is developing the Sun Village Palms rooms for just under $40,000 per room. Through an aggressive sales and marketing campaign, each room week would be sold for up to a net value of $5,000 per week, based on a 50-week year. If this program does materialize, each room has the potential to yield up to 5 times the value of your investment. In addition, you will still continue to enjoy your quarterly distributions, the potential share value enhancement, and continued vacation benefits exclusive to EMI investors, enjoyed by yourself and your family. The Board of Directors is also in the preliminary stage of obtaining approvals for a proposed casino at Sun Village. If the casino is developed, it will provide yet another profit center for Sun Village, generating additional revenues for our investors. This exceptional investment opportunity is available exclusively to you until May 31st, 2001. Subscriptions must be completed at the EMI booth and your share purchase secured with a modest deposit. Your investment in EMI Resorts Sun Village is as secure as the land it's built on, and you will receive your income on the calendar quarter every 90 days. EMI Resorts truly appreciates the support of our many investors, and we look forward to discussing this opportunity with you over the next few days.